Welcome back to another exciting look at the ultimate in adventure vehicles. Today, we are checking out an absolute masterpiece of off-grid engineering, designed to keep you exploring no matter what the weather throws at you. Meet the Four Seasons, a spectacular custom camper van built specifically for full-time van life and total year-round freedom. Crafted by the talented team at Highland Rigs out of Greenville, South Carolina, this top-tier home on wheels is built to be a true conversation starter, bringing unprecedented luxury to the most remote campsites imaginable. Let us dive right into what makes this ski-ready beast so incredible. On the outside, this rig means business. It rides on upgraded wheels wrapped in aggressive BFGoodrich KO3 all-terrain tires, ready to tackle snowy mountain passes or muddy trails with absolute ease. Accessing the roof is a breeze thanks to a sturdy driver-side ladder, which leads you up to a premium Unaka roof rack. Up top, you'll find a massive 400-watt solar panel array to keep your off-grid systems humming, a flat-mounted Starlink Mini antenna so you're always connected, and a brilliant front-facing 44-inch LED light bar accompanied by pod lights on all sides to illuminate the darkest wilderness. It is an exterior setup perfectly tailored for serious explorers who refuse to compromise. Step inside, however, and that rugged exterior gives way to a surprisingly warm, welcoming, and apartment-like interior. Highland Rigs chose an open concept layout, with no partition wall separating the driver cabin from the main living space, giving the entire van an incredibly spacious feel. Furthermore, the passenger seat sits on a swivel base, easily turning around to join the lounge area. The design itself is cohesive and tasteful, highlighted by a stunning slatted ceiling with two recessed LED light strips that cast a cozy glow over the cabin. You're also surrounded by gorgeous custom oak cabinetry featuring premium soft-close hardware, while the walls are beautifully finished in a sophisticated Roman clay texture. Towards the back, you get a massive and incredibly comfortable lounge and sleeping area, situated perfectly above a highly functional gear garage to store all your skis, snowboards, and outdoor toys. It is an impeccably designed setup that proves you don't have to leave high-end luxury behind when you hit the slopes for a winter off-grid adventure.